If you have submitted the VFS application and if you want to track the status, you would need to follow these steps. I'm giving the exact steps for the checking of the status for the VFS application submitted for the reissuance of expiring passport in United States. So for that, you need to go to google.com, just write VFS Global, go to the first website, and this is asking you which type of application you submitted. So basically passport services. I'm a resident of United States. Then you can select your citizenship country, which is India. And then here it is saying you apply for a passport. So click on this, and here you can see step-by-step guide. This is the place where it mentions track your application. You need to click on track now. Then click on track your application. It is going to ask you for the applicant reference number. Enter your applicant reference number. Then enter your date of birth. Then enter the text that is shown in the image. This is for the CAPTCHA code or for the security purposes. Click on submit. It is saying you to confirm that you are not a robot. So you can select the squares. For bicycles, then click on submit. So it is supposed to be dash here, GESAM. Click on submit. Okay, it basically is saying your application is being verified and currently under process at the VFS application center. So that means that the application has been received through the courier by the VFS Consular application center, and they are still reviewing your application. That is, they are verifying, and it is currently under process. So this is how you track your application on the VFS Global website.